Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to upload PDF file to Gumroad. So guys, open your Gumroad account and go to product. After that, click new product. Write the name your product, guys. And if you have ebook PDF, in my case, just click PDF file and price your product and click customize. Here guys, write the description and name and URL of your product, as you can see here. For example, marketing 01 and your domain and cover, upload cover, and you can upload thumbnail you can create from Canva easily by this size 600 JPG. Click save and continue. Here guys, insert your content. As you can see here, you can upload content from your computer. In my case, this is my PDF. Just upload your PDF file here easily and wait a few seconds. As you can see here, the PDF was uploaded successfully. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then thanks for watching. See you on another video soon. Keep watching.